Step-by-step instructions for applying for spouse or partner visa. Welcome back to our channel. We have had a number of requests to make a video about how to apply as a spouse to join your partner in the UK. Please subscribe, like and share this video to support our channel. To apply as a partner or spouse, you must be 18 years and over. Your partner must also either be a British or Irish citizen, have settled in the UK, for example, they have indefinite leave to remain, settled status or proof of permanent residence. What you'll need to prove: you're in a civil partnership or marriage that's recognised in the UK. Have a good knowledge of English. Can financially support yourself and your dependents. How long will it take for a decision to be made? You should get a decision within 12 weeks once you attend your appointment at the Visa Application Centre if you are applying to settle in the UK as the spouse, partner or family member of someone who has British citizenship or is settled in the UK. How long you can stay? You can stay in the UK for 2 years and 9 months on this visa. After this you'll need to apply to extend your stay. When you can settle permanently. The earliest you can apply to settle in the UK, called indefinite leave to remain, is after you've lived in the UK for 5 years continuously on a family visa as a partner. Your application. Information you need to provide: all your names, your date of birth, your current passport or other valid travel ID, copies of the photo page and any visa or entry stamps in your previous passports, details of any previous immigration applications you've made, details of any criminal convictions, your tuberculosis test results if you are applying from a country where you are required to provide a negative TB test result. You will need to book an appointment at least 10 weeks prior to your travel to allow processing in case you may require further testing after the initial examination. This may include but not limited to sputum testing and further consultation that takes up to 8 weeks. You should make it clear you need the test for a UK visa application. A certified translation of any document that is not in English. Give proof of your finances. Prove your knowledge of English. You'll need to provide a certificate from ICTIS, formerly UK NARIC, to show that your qualification is equivalent to a UK bachelor's degree or higher and that it was taught in English. If you don't hold a degree or above, you will need to take an approved English language test. It is recommended to take the A1 level of the test. Check our separate video on English language tests for UK visas. Proof of relationship. For example, how you met and how often you see each other, how long you've lived together. You will need to include details of anyone you previously married or had children with. Include evidence of marriage's ending, for example a divorce certificate. You will need to give details of countries outside the UK you've lived in and visited, family and friends in the countries where you were born or have nationality. Your partner in the UK and details to provide: name, date of birth, nationality, UK passport, any people your partner was previously married to, in a civil partnership with or had children with, evidence of marriage's ending, for example a divorce certificate, anyone your partner supports with money, for example their parents. Give proof of your income. You and your partner must have a combined income of at least £18,600 sterling a year. If you or your partner are employed, you could include bank statements showing you or your partner's income, 6 months of pay slips, a letter from an employer, dated and on headed paper. If you're using income from self-employment or employment, you'll need to prove you or your partner received that income for 6 months or more. For example, you can provide evidence you have worked for your employer for 6 or more months. The employer's letter should confirm you or your partner are employed there. The job title or position you or your partner hold. How long you or your partner have worked there. The type of contract. For example, permanent, fixed term. What you or your partner earn before tax and national insurance. How long you or your partner have been paid your current salary. The pay slips are genuine, personal bank statements. Cash savings. Savings must be held in cash in a personal bank, savings account in the name of the applicant, their partner or the couple jointly. Give proof of your accommodation in the UK. An applicant under Appendix FM 5-year route to settlement as a partner, parent or dependent child must provide evidence that there will be adequate accommodation in the UK, without recourse to public funds, for the family, including other family members who are not included in the application but who live in the same household. This must be accommodation which the family own or which they occupy exclusively. Accommodation can be shared with others. Occupy exclusively is defined in paragraph 6 of the immigration rules and means that at least part of the accommodation must be for the exclusive use of the family. Evidence to provide. The applicant should provide evidence as to the basis on which the accommodation is or will be owned or occupied, including rented by the family unit. This may, for example, be in the form of a copy of the property deeds, a letter from a bank or building society as to the mortgage arrangements, a lease agreement and rent book, or a letter from a family member or friend who is making the accommodation available to the applicant and their family unit. If your application is approved, successful applicants will be issued with the vignette in their passport, which is valid for 30 days. The vignette is proof only of your permission to enter the UK and will allow you to travel to the UK. If you do not travel to the UK within this 30-day period, you will have to apply for another 30-day vignette, for which there will be an additional fee. In many cases, your vignette will start on the date you indicated as your intended travel date in your visa application. You'll get a biometric residence permit after your arrival in the UK. You can work or study. You cannot usually get benefits or other public funds for you or your dependents. Apply to settle in the UK until you're eligible. Have you had a good or bad experience applying to join your partner or spouse in the UK? Please share your experience in the comments section below. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, send us an email at theradvicecenteruk@gmail.com. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Turn on their notifications button to be notified anytime we release a new video. Follow us on our social media channels in the description box below.